with another one of them things. First off, I really want to just tell y'all, man, how much I appreciate y'all. And I know I say that, and I've said that in a couple videos, and I'm gonna continue to say it because, yeah, I come with the content, but if it wasn't for y'all watching it, it would just be content that would just be idling on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate y'all, man, for, you know what I'm saying, taking out y'all time to pay attention to what I got going on. You know what I'm saying? You know, if I done help somebody out, you know what I'm saying, in life. If I done help somebody out in life or help somebody out in a situation, man, you know what I'm saying? That's cool. You know, that's what I set out to do. But if not, just keep watching, because there's gonna be a situation to where I help somebody. Like the video just ain't came yet, and it's okay. I don't want you to leave though. Stick around. You know, just stick around and I got distracted. I'd like to see them boys cutting them trees down with the crane on the side road with the long saw. But yeah, you know, if your video ain't came yet, just hold tight. It's coming. Trust me. But yeah, man. I don't have any particular thing to talk about today. What do I? Mine, I started, well, y'all know that. Started my workout journey again. And I've really been doing good. This past week, we said the first. We did say the first. I don't think I started exactly on the first. But I know for sure this past week, man, I've been getting it in. I don't know if it's just me, but there's been a couple mornings when I was standing in the mirror and I was like, hey, that wasn't right there at first. So I don't think I would want to think that it ain't happening that fast, but I don't know. But I do need to insert still, or maybe a video on how I was looking when I started, and I want to do that. I want to do a video or a still when I finish. I don't have no, this is a bad road. I ain't on the road, it's bad, boy. I don't have no set time, no set goal, or nothing like that, man. I just want to look better, man. I just don't want to have, you know what I'm saying, all this flab on me. I don't want my chest to be sagging, sinking. I don't want my stomach to be protruding out of my outfits. Arms, I don't really care too much. I mean, they're just gonna be, you know, they just gonna get hit anyway. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But let me get down here, man, to this place right fast. Get off this rough road. Man, y'all probably can't even hear me. Man, get off this rough road, man. And I'll pick the camera back up, plus my battery low anyway. So I'll pick the camera back up, man, and then we'll talk a little more. How about that? Alright. Yeah. Now, we back, man. Back to the place. So, now, I will say this. I can talk about this. I had an awesome night last night. DoorDash. I think I cleared 120 last night. Started at 4. Ended at like 8 something. Because I don't think I took another order after 8 something, because they started sending the crazy orders. But yeah, had an awesome night doing that. And I was so tired when I got home, I didn't even get to work out. So at least what I at least need to do, if I don't do nothing else, I'm sorry y'all, if I don't do nothing else, man, and this is gonna be my thing from this point forward. If I don't do anything else, I need to do some ab work. I don't care if I don't do arms, I don't care if I don't do legs, neck, shoulders, kneecaps, I don't care what else I don't do. If I miss my workout, I at least have to make up the ab work. So, and I use, like how I do my ab work, I know y'all remember that 10-pound medicine ball I bought. I do my ab work, you know what I'm saying, with the ball. So I don't have the ball with me today, and I know that this is not 10 pounds, but it's gonna have to work. It's gonna have to work. I'll show y'all later, like when I get home and working out again. I'll show y'all later how I do my ab work, what, you know what I'm saying, what exercise I do for my ab work. I only do one exercise for my ab work. So yeah, let me go ahead and knock this out right fast, and yeah, go and knock this out, cause yeah, I gotta do that. I got too much going on right here. Look at that. I got too much going on, man. I can't miss no ab work, period. And we working abs every day until I find out another way to do this. I'm working abs every day until I get this off me. Gotta get it off me. But yeah, so let me get to it and I'll hit y'all right back.